Sawadeeka! Welcome back to Basic by Kurin Aglamas. This is my friend.
你好吗?
His name is Anuk, and today we're going to bake basic chocolate moist cupcakes. We're going to show you later on. Stay tuned. This recipe was my recipe when I was still in the Philippines, when I had kringybells creations. And I hope you enjoy it. And I hope that this recipe you can make with your loved ones, with your family, or if you're alone right now, well, you can do it too. You can order online if that's the case for you. If you cannot go outside, I mean to say. Alright, so much ado. Bye! Oh!
And by the way, sorry for the raw videos because it was taken outside and I'm not in control of my environment. But hopefully, you can check out the ingredients list below. I will try to include it as well in the video so that it will not be hard for you.
Hi everyone, so in here we're just measuring out the ingredients so that it will be easier to bake later on. Remember to use proper measuring equipment when you are baking. So we have cups for dry ingredients and wet ingredients. Since baking is a science, you have to level out all your dry ingredients using a spatula or a spoon. This is to ensure the proper and correct measurements. If you're a first-time baker, I suggest that you measure out first all your ingredients in small bowls, like what we're doing with my student. Ingredients should be at room temperature. If they're not, you can bring them out of the refrigerator at least 30 to 1 hour before you use them. I know baking can be messy, but as much as possible, keep your table clean and tidy. Remember, the better the quality of your ingredients, the better the quality of your cupcakes.
Okay, so here are your complete ingredients.
So this is just your sifter, and sift all your dry ingredients. Your all-purpose flour, your baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Now the sifter was too small for our sugar granules, so I just went ahead and poured it on the bowl. Just make sure that when you mix them, all the sugar granules will be dissolved. Next is your cocoa. Okay, we're finished with our dry ingredients. Just stir them with a whisk to combine properly. And then you can make a well at the center of your mixture to give way for your wet ingredients. Alright, make way for our wet ingredients. Eggs, buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, in 1 cup of milk, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Let it sit for 30 minutes. If it curdles, you can now use it as your buttermilk. Next, in our wet ingredients is the oil. With your hand power and handy dandy whisk, just mix them all together. At this stage, our mixture is done, except that we have to add the 1 cup hot coffee. The reason why I added it last because I don't want it to cook the raw eggs inside our mixture. Now this will be the consistency of your cake. It's liquidy, but don't worry, that's normal. Alright, now we're ready to bake our cupcake mixture. So this is just a simple cupcake molder that I have. Just put on some cupcake liners and then fill them out at least 3/4 full. Don't go too crazy and fill it out all the way to the top because it will still expand as it's going to bake. So this is how it's going to look like, just to give you an idea. So this is our oven. Don't forget to preheat it 15 minutes, 180 degrees. If 15 minutes is over, go ahead and pop in those babies. I put my timer on 30 minutes and checked it, but it's not yet cooked. Be sure your cupcake is cooked. Just insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, your cupcakes are ready. We also tested the cake in microwave and it turned out well. Pop in these cake mixture into the microwave for about 4 to 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Frosting. Just put 1 cup of whipping cream onto a cold metal bowl. Before beating my whipping cream, I put my metal bowl and electric mixer beaters at the refrigerator. This is to help my whipping cream whip fast and firm. Another tip, you can put an ice bath. This is just a bigger bowl with some ice inside of it. Again, this will help our whipping cream whip up fast and firm. At this point, you can gradually add the sugar. Now you can see the change in the volume of our whipping cream. So this is what we're looking for, the stiff peak. Alright, so now we're ready to frost our cupcakes. So just put pressure in the middle and then swirl around to the top. Now if you don't get this the first time, that's okay. Practice makes perfect. Yay, our finished cupcakes. I just added some chocolate sauce, Oreo and Pokey to make it cute. Customize, design, decorate your own as you wish to.
Hi! So we finished already baking. This is our creation. And hope you like it. Say goodbye. Bye!